Friends, since I wear a hat that says Israel with pride, and not to mention that if I take it off, many times I have the kippah or mulke underneath, then sometimes I get some very interesting comments. Most of the people are really cool and nice, but some people, like the man you're about to see, have their way of reacting to it. Say it again about the Jewish people, what you just told me.
You are the worstest people in the world. Second are the British, but you beat the British and you are the worstest in the world.
Thank you for being so racist.
Hitler has not killed any Jewish. Going from country to country and look under the stones.
Thank you for being so racist, sir. Very kind of you.
Swiss. How many did we hate before Hitler in Switzerland of Jews? But you are unbelievable bad people.
Yes. Thank you for being so kind.
You are here
and racist.
because nobody knows you. Not 1% of the Thai people knows where Israel and where the Israeli, what the Israeli are. 70 years of war against the Palestinians. You have stolen the Palestinian everything, land and houses and everything.
So that's the reason for you
Yeah.
to say to me that I'm the worst human being because I belong to the Jewish nation.
I'm the second
And-
Hitler.
Yes. So what does it mean exactly, sir?
That I would do again what Hitler has done 70 years ago.
What will you do?
Kill all the Jewish.
Thank you for being so kind. Thank you.
Throwing a bomb, atomic bomb over Israel.
Beautiful. Have a beautiful day, sir.
On this life